Caregiver's Guide: Turning a loved one in a hospital bed at home if the loved one cannot assist. Turning your loved one in a hospital bed at home is essential for preventing skin breakdown and maintaining their comfort. Let's explore this process together, considering that they cannot assist. Your collaboration with your loved one makes turning smoother and more comfortable for both of you. Let's dive into the steps. Before we begin, ensure you have all the supplies you need within reach. This includes gloves, pillows for support, a draw sheet, and possibly a bed rail for stability. Communication is key. Talk to your loved one about the turning process and any preferences they may have. This helps build trust and cooperation. You should communicate with your loved one, even if they cannot communicate back. Adjust the height of the bed to a comfortable level for you. Having the bed at waist level prevents strain on your back and makes turning easier. Together, assist your loved one to prepare for turning. Make sure they're comfortable and supported before proceeding. If turning causes discomfort for your loved one, it may be indicated to administer a dose of prescribed, as-needed medication prior to starting. To make turning easier, you can use a sheet folded in half that is placed underneath your loved one. This draw sheet can be used to help move the patient more easily and will prevent skin shearing, which can cause skin tears if the skin is fragile. Placing the draw sheet is very similar to changing a fitted sheet when your loved one is in the bed or changing a brief. Now that the draw sheet is in place, this can be used to assist you in turning and repositioning your loved one. If you are using the draw sheet, gently pull them towards you using the draw sheet. Be careful not to bend and use your back. Now you are ready to turn your loved one. Bend the knee that will be on top once they are on their side. Their feet should be flat on the bed. Take one arm and place it on your loved one's shoulder and place your other hand on their bent knee. If using a draw sheet, grab the draw sheet and gently turn them on their side. Now that your loved one has been turned on their side, make sure their ankles, knees, and elbows are not resting on each other. Adjust pillows and bedding to ensure your loved one is well supported and comfortable in their new position. By working together and communicating openly, you can turn your loved one in a hospital bed at home comfortably and safely, promoting their well-being and comfort. If you still have questions about turning your loved one if they are not able to help after viewing this video, please contact Hospice of the Piedmont for more information.